Hello everyone, and peace of Christ to all of you. As we see in the news, how embarrassing the news we see from a company like Twitter. And I wanted to talk about it because many people, they like to invest their money, and some people, they almost worship huge companies. They think they will stay there forever, and as you see, those people are desperate even to sell themselves. How embarrassing. You know, when somebody chase somebody saying, you need to buy me, okay? And even we will go to court and sue you. Isn't it this is a clear sign that those people are facing horrible time? Isn't it this is a clear sign that this company is dying? If those people are making good money, and if they are successful, do you think they will be desperate to sell? Okay, the guy don't want to buy, who cares? This Elon Musk, he made an idiot decision when he thought about buying it. 44 billion. A website will cost you no less. I mean, you can make a better website than Twitter for maybe $1 million, maximum. You can hire employees and people will come, especially he's famous, man, He's attraction for many investors around the world. So he can start his own Twitter and will cost him way, way less. We are talking about 44 billion for a stupid website. And half of the users are fake and they are scammers. And here I wanted to share this video. I don't really care much for this guy. He is rich already. And all of those they are involved in this are very rich. But the poor ones is the one who invest their money in such companies. Look what happened now. If you are a person who have, let us say, $10,000, and you dream about making money from such a company, and you put all your money buying their stock, and now this argument alone is destroying the stock market for this company. Who in the world is going even to think about buying or dealing with this company anymore? They are exposing themselves. They are embarrassing themselves. They are desperate to sell themselves. And this is telling you how much this company is doing bad. We have many businesses these days. All of them, they are based on the internet. And there is many people, they are dreaming to get rich. I mean, nothing wrong to dream, and if you can, why not? Okay, as long as you are doing it legally. But always you need to know that fast income is a fast risk. And fast risk means you might lose everything. You dream to be big, you become so small. And what you saved maybe in many, many years, you might lose it in a second. So on this guy, he make a comment, start making comment attacking Twitter, and Twitter stocks market collapsing. Even his own company, this guy, if he make a comment, negative comment about his own company, which is not, it's a real business because he's making cars, etc., and he is making satellite, and should be very successful in the future, because this is what the future is about, at least for now. But he himself, if he make a little comment about his own company, his stock market will go down and might collapse. Any negative comment can affect your money, not his money. This guy, I think he's like a kid. He's successful for sure. He became the richest, but because he have too much money, he care less. For him, like $100 million is like, a cigarette for somebody he smoke. But for you, $100, it might be a working of a day or a two, or maybe a week, depending where you live and how much income you make. So those people, they can destroy your life by making one comment or one decision. So this guy, he come to Twitter, he says, I'm going to buy your company. He named the price, thinking that this company is valuable for him. After he start receiving the information, because now he's a buyer, he have the right to go and see, and he's going to be the new owner. he noticed that this company is nothing but a scam. Most of the names in users are not really real. They are fake and they are scammers. And he found that the money he will put, he will never get back. So he decided to withdraw, because now he went inside the company. He saw how the worms are eating it from inside, too much expenses, less money making. And it's time for me to quit and run before it's too late. But by making decision to buy, the prices of the company go high. I mean, the stock market, because now this guy is rich, and there's many people, they trust that he is a successful businessman. He will not do something. Just by him going there, actually, that will increase the value of the company. The same reason made the company's stock market increase is the same reason make the company go almost. This is why they are suing, because they are losing a lot. He decided to leave. So when you invest with those companies, your life stock, your life investment, your life whatever, all the saving of your life, you put it in a stock, is in the hand or even in a comment they make, those people. One comment of those people do about the business you are doing in the stock you are buying, it can affect you horribly. So I advise people, because a person, he was telling me about how much he lost, and he sent me an email saying, sorry CP, I cannot support you. I lost, in the stock market. And I've made me feel sorry for him. For sure, I mean, everybody have his own, the right to make decision to donate or not. But I felt really sorry for a good person. But he wanted to get rich, and now he get poor. Why want to do that to ourselves? Never invest in such of those companies. And the stock market is really very risky, extremely risky. You see, even medical, like those are not the internet, they are real and they are needed. So even medical companies who make medicine, if you remember a company Johnson & Johnson, after many years they've been sued because of the powder they used to use for babies. It caused cancer. So they lost billions of dollars. So you might buy a stock of a company today. Somebody else, he get the benefit of Johnson & Johnson 30 years ago. And now a decision is made about the company, which for something happened 20 years or 30 years ago, will destroy your investment today, even though you were not investing 30 years ago. Because now they have to pay. And when they have to pay, it means it's going to come out of your pocket. Companies don't pay from their pocket. And actually, the rich ones, they never lose. The real losers is the poor ones, who they have little money. Their life saving is the one who will lose it. The rich always, they back up, and they knew what is inside the company. I mean, the one who is leading the company, they knew exactly when the company is going to lose. They can see in a few months from now, oh, we have a court decision, and we know it's going to be like this, so let us start selling. And then when the court decision comes, the stock market of this company will go very down. Then what they will do, they will buy from you, the same people who sold few months ago. So I advise people to stay away from the stock market. Stock market is it's not a real business, really. It's the same as a gambling in a casino. So if you are into gambling, well, the risk of gambling is there. And always the casino win. This is why it's open. They never lose. Thank you very much for listening. I wanted to share with our friend my opinion. He asked me to speak about it, and this is what I think. I hope you agree or not. I mean, this is your business, and you like stock or not, it's your risk. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you all.